Have you noticed your hair turning gray earlier than expected? The surprising reason might be hiding in your daily routine. Let's discover why your hair loses its natural color and two simple home remedies that may help protect it. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed a few gray or white hairs that were not there before? While getting gray hair is a natural part of aging, many people experience it much earlier than expected. Understanding the possible reasons behind this change can help you take better care of your hair and overall health. Hair gets its natural color from a pigment called melanin. Tiny cells inside the hair follicles produce melanin, giving hair its black, brown, blonde, or red shade. As melanin production gradually slows down, hair starts turning gray or white. Let's look at some common reasons why this can happen. Number one reason, natural aging. The most common cause of gray hair is simply getting older. As we age, the cells responsible for producing melanin become less active. This is normal biological process and everyone experiences it at a different age depending on their genetics. Number two reason is genetics. Your family history plays a major role in determining when your hair begins to lose its color. If your parents or grandparents developed gray hair early, there is a good chance you may notice it earlier as well. Number three, nutrient deficiencies. Healthy hair depends on a balanced diet. Low levels of certain nutrients, including vitamin B12, iron, copper, vitamin D, and folate, may affect normal hair growth and pigmentation. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats helps support overall health here. Number four, long term stress. Stress doesn't instantly turn hair gray, but long term stress may affect the health of hair follicles. Managing stress through regular exercise, good sleep, relaxation, or enjoyable hobbies can support overall well being, including healthy hair. Number five, smoking. Research suggests that smoking may be linked with earlier graying of hair. Harmful chemicals in cigarette smoke increase oxidative stress in the body, which can affect many cells, including those involved in hair pigmentation. Number six, environmental damage. Constant exposure to strong sunlight, pollution, harsh hair products, and excessive heat styling may weaken hair over time. While these factors don't directly cause gray hair in everyone, protecting your hair from damage can help maintain its overall health and appearance. Now, let's talk about two simple home remedies that may help support healthy hair and keep it looking naturally beautiful. These remedies won't reverse gray hair overnight, but they can nourish your scalp and protect your hair from damage. Home remedy number one, I am going to tell you. First of all, you have to take coconut oil and curry leaves. This traditional remedy is popular because coconut oil moisturizes the scalp while curry leaves contain natural plant compounds and antioxidants and that support healthy hair. So here's how to prepare it. Take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add around 10 fresh curry leaves. Heat them together on low flame until the leaves become dark. Allow oil to cool, strain it, and gently massage it into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for at least 1 hour or overnight before washing your hair with a mild shampoo. Using this treatment one or two times each week may help keep your hair soft, healthy, and well nourished. Now, talk about remedy 2. This remedy we are going to make with amla. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C and natural antioxidants. It has been traditionally used to support healthy hair. To make the mask, mix 2 tablespoons of amla powder with enough plain water or yogurt to form a smooth paste. Apply it evenly your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and wash with a gentle shampoo. Using this mask once a week may help improve hair condition and support healthy looking hair. Along with these remedies, don't forget the basics. Eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, sleep well, reduce stress, avoid smoking, and protect your hair from excessive heat and harsh chemicals. Small daily habits often make the biggest difference over time. It's also important to remember that gray hair is completely natural. Many people choose to embrace it with confidence, while others prefer to care for their hair to maintain its natural appearance. Both choices are perfectly okay. If your hair suddenly starts turning gray very quickly, or if you notice significant hair loss or other unusual symptoms, it's a good idea to speak with a qualified healthcare professional. They can check for possible nutritional deficiencies or other underlying health condition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, Lively English Content. Share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy, take care of your hair, and I will see you in the next video.